Okay, today we are going to solve an equation with the same variable on both sides. So let's write that problem down. I have -3 parenthesis x plus 3 parenthesis plus 2 is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so the first thing we would want to do is to multiply what's outside of our parenthesis to everything that's inside. So that will leave me with -3x. -3 times +3 will give me -9 plus 2. I'm just rewriting everything else down, x plus 5. All right, the next step is for us to look to see, can I combine any like terms? And I see that I can combine my -9 and my +2. So -3x, -9 plus 2, that will leave me with -7. Keep the sign of the bigger number, x plus 5. Now I'm going to share a little technique with you today. It's letters on the left. So I am looking at my letter right here, x, do the inverse operation. Subtract x, what you do to one side, you must do to the next. That cancels off. Let's do the math right here. Signs are the same. That's going to leave me with -4x. And I am just going to rewrite everything else. -7 is equal to 5. Now we are down to a two-step equation. So now let's use numbers on the right. So I'm going to take my number here, do the inverse operation, add 7, add 7. That's going to cancel. It's going to leave me with -4x is equal to, let's do the simple math, 12. Hope that's making sense to you so far. Now we're down to a one-step equation. So I'm going to do the inverse operation here, which is divide by -4 on both sides. This cancel, leaving me with x is equal to -3. So x is equal to -3. Now the final step is for us to check. Okay, we always want to check. All right, so I'm going to write the original problem down. -3 parenthesis x plus 3 plus 2 is equal to x plus 5. Okay, remember we just found our value for x, which is -3. So wherever I see x, I'm going to substitute in my -3. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite the problem here. Here's an x. I'm going to substitute that in for -3 plus 5. All right, let's continue. Let's do what's in the parenthesis first. So I have -3. Now, -3 plus 3, my signs are different. I'm subtracting, which would leave me with 0. Plus 2 is equal to -3 plus 5. Hope that's making sense to you so far. Now, any number multiplied by 0, 0 is always the hero. So I got 0 plus 2 is equal to -3 plus 5, which will leave me with 2. 0 plus 2 will leave me with 2. Does 2 equal 2? You bet. Once again, if you're working along with me, you can always pause this tutorial. Now, if you're just watching and listening, you can replay as many times as you like.